Hi everyone, welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today I'll be cooking a super easy curry fish that everyone can follow, including beginner curry enthusiasts. Come along with me to see how this fish curry is prepared. Here I have ingredients to be blended: shallots, ginger, cashew nuts and garlic. The reason why I added cashew nuts is to thicken the gravy, resulting in a gravy that has a luxurious creamy texture and to mellow out the intensity from the spices. So just sweep all these ingredients into the blender, all four of them, no particular order. Add a little bit of water to help with the blending process. So we want to blend it until it is smooth, fine and silky. I'm using Toshiba blender. So this is the texture that we want for our blended ingredients: smooth, fine and silky. I love my curry gravy to have a velvety texture, so that's why it looks something like this. Now we make the spice paste. We need 3 tablespoons of Baba's curry powder, 2 tablespoons of Baba chili powder. You can use any chili powder and curry powder of your choice. So add a little bit of water. So the aim is to add enough water to form a runny paste. The reason why we add water to our dry powder is to create a spice slurry to prevent the spices from, like burning in the hot oil. So stir and mix. Here I have got about 1 kg of black pomfret. I use black pomfret as it has a firm texture that holds up well without breaking apart. It also has a mild, naturally sweet flesh. Similar fishes that have the same attributes are red snapper, cod, halibut, mahi-mahi and tilapia. So I have also other ingredients like lady's fingers, tomatoes, red chilies and a sprig of curry leaves. About 20 leaves like that, approximately. The aromatics are dried cloves, 3 of them. Then we also have the cardamom pods, 3 of them, and 2 star anise and a stick of cinnamon. Okay, so now let's start to cook. Heat up half a cup of oil. And the first thing we need to do is to stir fry the aromatics for only about 30 seconds to release the aroma, the oils that will make our curry very aromatic. So pour in our blended ingredients and chili curry paste, all in. So our plan is to stir fry it for around about 10 minutes until the oil splits from the paste. So stir fry over medium heat. So 10 minutes later, our paste has darkened, it is drier and the oil has separated from the paste. So add in our curry leaves, stir fry for about 30 seconds to release the curry aroma. Then add in our coconut cream. A bit of water, about I would say 500 milliliters in that region. Yep. Then stir fry and mix so that everything is nicely incorporated. So now we add in our fish, 1 piece at a time. We are not going to slam down, gently do it so that nothing splashes. So then cover and cook for 5 minutes over medium-low heat. So 5 minutes later, we need to flip the fish so that the other side can cook equally as well. Okay, time to add seasonings: salt, tamarind paste, and anchovies powder. About a teaspoon of anchovies powder. So mix everything. So also add in our lady's fingers, tomatoes and red chilies. Just put them anywhere wherever you can find some space, and just strewn them on top. So we are going to cover and cook for another 4 minutes over medium-low heat. So 4 minutes later, here we are, our curry fish is ready. It is tender, flaky and melt in the mouth. To achieve this, tip number 1, try not to cook it for more than 10 minutes. Tip number 2, a gentle, slow simmer ensure the fish stays tender, absorbs the flavors and holds its shape. Do give this delicious and comforting fish recipe a try. Thanks for watching and as always, happy cooking!